For our final project, we looked to find the distance traveled and the speed of a cart when powered by air from a balloon. That was the goal of our experiment. And we looked to see if different amounts of air in the balloon correlated to the distance and time traveled. This also brings into play potential and kinetic energy and their relationship, specifically the conservation of energy.
So the setup of our experiment was connecting a short straw to a balloon using duct tape, and the tape was to ensure that no air got out while we were pumping the balloon with air, and the straw was to ensure that once we let the air go and it was released out of the balloon, that it was concentrated coming off from the cart in one direction so that it could be powered forward. Then once we had our straw apparatus, we connected that to our cart and pumped the balloon with air, and after that we let the air go and measured how far the cart was propelled forward, and we were sure to start it at the same time or same position on the track each time.
And we did 3 different trials with different amounts of air pumped into each one. So our first trial was with 5 pumps of air, which ended up being 400 milliliters of air, which we calculated by pushing it into a beaker full of water and then measuring the amount of water that overflowed. And then our second trial had 10 pumps of air, which was 850 milliliters. Our third trial was 15 pumps of air, which was 1,200 milliliters. And then we put them on the track, let them go, and we measured the time, how far they went. And then we repeated each, so we had 3 trials, and then we got the averages, and then graphed the positions and the distances and the velocities.
That's all.